Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, February 12th. The euro rose 0.08% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1327. Yesterday, negotiations between the Eurozone and Greece finance ministers failed to reach any agreement on the extending of bailout plan on Greece. Markets would now be focused on cues from the two-day summit of the European Union leaders, which start today. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1277 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.1242. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1350 and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1388. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by Germany's inflation data, scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, the US advanced retail sales data, coupled with the initial jobless claims data, scheduled later today, would grab a lot of market attention. The British pound fell 0.13% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5240. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5191 and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5161. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5277 and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5332. Going forward, investors are likely to remain focused on the Bank of England's crucial quarterly inflation report, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.72% against the Japanese yen and closed at 120.29. Overnight data showed that machine orders in Japan advanced more than expected by 8.3% on a monthly basis in December, against market expectations of a reading of 2.3%. The pair is expected to find support at 119.66 and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 119.04. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 120.70 and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 121.12. The Australian dollar weakened 0.61% against the US dollar to close at 0.7723. Australia's unemployment rate jumped to 6.4%, registering its worst level since August 2002 in January, while markets expected the nation's unemployment rate to advance to a level of 6.2%. This has boosted the possibility of a further interest rate cut by the Reserve Bank of Australia. Additionally, number of employed people in the nation eased by 12.20k in January. In other economic news, consumer inflation expectations in Australia rose to a level of 4% in February, following a reading of 3.2% in the previous month. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7610 and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.7557. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7751 and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7838. Going forward, markets would keep a close eye on the Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Glenn Stevens' speech, scheduled in the late hours today. Gold prices traded lower by 1.30% against the US dollar at $12.1830 per ounce amid a broad strength in the greenback, offsetting the impact of concerns over Greece's exit from the Eurozone. Separately, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust remained unchanged for the second consecutive day. The pair is expected to find support at 1211.23 and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1202.76. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1233.43 and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1247.16. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate tab right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate tab, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.